Hey friends, so welcome back to day 5, and I'm still currently unemployed. I haven't found a job. I've been applying like crazy, no phone calls, no emails, but we're still showing up every single day. You've been trying to get into accounting and you just don't know which path to get into. I am gonna tell you the ones that I enjoyed the most. And this can vary from people to people because everyone's different, but what I enjoyed the most was accounts payable and payroll. For me, accounts payable is like the number one that I enjoyed the most during my whole 14 years. And if you want to get into this, I highly suggest it. And don't think that it's just entering invoices. There's more to AP than just entering invoice. If you're a very organized person, you'll enjoy this. If you love customer service, what I mean by that is that you're gonna have to be talking to the vendor on a every day or once a week basis, depending, because there's a lot of companies that you're gonna deal with hundreds of vendors and they're always gonna be calling you or emailing you. So if you enjoy that, then you should get into AP. And another one is that you're also gonna be coding invoices and the company is gonna teach you how to do that. Every company has different general ledgers, GL accounts. And another one is you have to be not an expert in Excel, but Excel does help you, especially if you get a large invoice and then we had to code each individual lines. So sometimes it was like 200. So it was best to use Excel and just input the whole data, that file into Excel, and then we'll sort every category, and it was a lot easier than going line by line. So another one is that you're also gonna be cutting checks, issuing checks, you're gonna be doing wire payments. If you're working for like a small company, they're gonna make you in charge of petty cash. There's gonna be a lot of times that you have to give out cash to different departments. You have to be a detail-oriented person because you have to make sure that everything's entered in correctly. For instance, invoice number, the amount. Another AP responsibility is that you have to help during month-end closing. And my background is mostly in apparel. So if you want to get into apparel, I highly suggest that you do get a lot of free clothes all the time. As friends, that is just a few details when it comes to accounts payable, but that is where I guess I enjoyed the most, and also payroll, but I will talk about payroll in another video. And let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, friends. Bye.